The beginning of a project ended with Python bus stand situated in a Tier 3 conditioned city just 50 kilometers away from Aurangabad. The rudiments of Python can be traced back to 2nd century BC when Python textiles received international fame. During the pre-modern era, Python textiles reached a zenith and there was no match for Python textiles in the whole world. But afterwards, due to various factors, it started declining. Python started deteriorating in importance as it lost all its links with its rudiments. The stakeholders of Python bus stand consist of passengers, bus operators, alternate transport, bus stand staff, shop owners and vendors, and the vulnerables. These stakeholders, when taken into context as threads, are woven into the beautiful Pythony fabric, which here is the bus stand. Alternate transport providers and daily wage earners were the most affected during this pandemic period. Apart from that, when we researched on the existing issues within the bus stand, we found out
Current pattern of seating in queue inside the bus stand is highly disorganized and worrisome in a pandemic situation.
There are lots of hygiene issues inside the bus stand, and the only common toilet is situated far away, which discourages us from using it.
Circulation in the bus stand is highly disorganized. People and buses use the same entry exit.
Keeping these points in our mind, we started with the design process, which was to be holistic in nature. A main feature is the ensurance of proper social distancing norms by providing spacious infrastructure and enforcing a one-way circulation to regulate and prevent crowding. With this circulation in place, the chance of crossing of arriving, leaving and waiting passengers inside the bus stand have been eliminated effectively. This reduces the risk of contact. Considering the long waiting periods, seating was an integral part of the design. The design provided it in such a way that no two passengers will face each other or have contact with each other. One of the most affected people were the poor and the vulnerable. They were given a buffer zone where they could carry out their economic, trade and other activities and improve their situation, and at the same time ensure social distancing. Also, the roof were provided with Pythony sari hangings so that the Pythony people could showcase their culture and feel a sense of belonging towards the bus stand. The canteen, admin, parcel and toilet blocks are provided at strategic vantage points to ensure social distancing norms with proper circulation guidelines and at the same time allowing proper usage. And thus, keeping the rudiments and people of Python in mind, a new normal for post-pandemic situation has been formed.